Okay, here's part one of installing the solar tracker. What we're doing here now is lining up the super struts. I have my own way of mounting these on these super struts. I like to bolt them from the back side through the frame to the strut. That gets a very rigid mounting. So when they do have a little bit of torsional twist with the wind, they stay pretty well mounted. I've been doing them like that for years. It works really well. So that's what we're doing today. Hopefully by the end of the day, we'll have this head unit mounted on the pole. Alright, I'll show more as it develops. Okay, what we're doing now is the preliminary readjusting of the unistruts, installing these new 1/4-20 unistrut bolts. These are the new design, where this plastic piece is captured. This is one of the old ones. They're just stuck in a little groove. I can't believe that one's still usable because they break off all the time. These just slide in like that. And I take 1/4-20 bolts. These are just temporary. Put them through the back of the panels. They'll hit these holes and then you bolt it to the frame. If you can get 2 panels with 8 bolts on, the rest of your framework should be okay. So that's what's going on. We're going to go get the panels now, place them on top, and see if they will bolt into these little bolts here. That'll tell us that these unistruts are placed properly. And then eventually there will be 6 solar panels on up here. 6 280-watt Trinas. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we're back here. The test fitting has been a success. Screwing them in from the back. If you can get the first 2 panels on with 8 bolts in, then these are where they need to be. So that's the preliminary test. Now we know there's going to be 2 more on this side, 2 more over there for a total of 6 280-watt panels. I got to go over here now to the poles, and I got to cut about 1 foot off each pole. And then next, we're going to take these solar panels back off, rig up the tracker head unit to my tractor, lift it up, and go put it on a pole. And if nothing else breaks that goes wrong today, I'll film that shortly. All right, I'll be back. Get it going. All right, I'm ready when you are.
Do it.
Can't see it now. All right. It's really not big enough. Damn it. It's almost. Golly. Jeez. Should do it. There it is.
There you have it. 1 pole, a foot shorter.
Alright, we just got the partially assembled tracker frame. Well, the tracker frame's all assembled. We just flew it up there with my little Mahindra Max. It stays like this. I wish I had a bigger tractor because it was sketchy. She's up on the pole. Hope I'm not getting the sun in the camera here too much. Anyway, that's it. She's up. Now we got to finish attaching it, run actuators, controllers. Tractor sitting on an angle. It was interesting. But it's up. All right, more to come. Nobody died. That's a good thing.